Ish, man, this story is heartbreaking, bro.
Nah, no, it's fine, my dog. Life,
Heartbreaking.
Life,
Thank you for answering my call. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ash, my dog, 1,000 out time life.
But I did say this: if your partner gives me your name, so your partner said Tabiso, so you're not Tabiso. Just like that. Oh, I'm afraid. Come on.
That's it. No, beat up for in. Mfethu young for like uyangimisa ngiyazambela mfethu uzoyenza lento oyenzayo mfethu ungipromise 1,000 because imali ngiyayidinga mfethu you know ukuthi imali ngiyayidinga so ngika 1,000 la mfethu ngizivayele mfethu ngiyenzile into yakho mfethu
Get a model, I'll give you something.
so you're gonna give me my 1,000 rand
Not 1,000.
what
I'll give you something. Mfethu,
sure
these things happen. It's real life. Like, these things happen. So you must always know that there's always high chances that things like this can happen at any moment. So don't be 100% sure when it comes to relationship stuff. I need to get you therapy. Do you want water?
I'm fine crying mfethu the thing is like mfethu directly
Please give me this bag, Chris.
kubuhlungu like mfethu when you invest so much to someone yabona and then you're thinking ukuthi you have a future with them
Yeah.
and then ganibona on the side they just like doing some other things
Utareka bag, mfethu.
Basically, okay, sure, my dog, nyabonga, my dog.
Utareka bag over one, relax it. Take your time, mfethu.
Yeah, my dog. Sure, my dog. I think
These things happen, mfethu. I know you invested too much on this guy, but
on this guy, this chick,
I'm
man.
sorry. Yeah, on this lady. You invested so much. So you were thinking of all those things that you lost. Like all those things that you...
Time, my brother, time.
But there are beautiful women out there who will love you, who will give you, what you need.
Yeah, sure, my dog.
Yeah. So don't worry, man. That girl, she'll get calm, whatever it is.
No,
So,
like,
right,
here's the thing, Fanagiti. I don't wish bad for her, but sharp, man. And thanks, man. Thanks. And I just realized, Gucci, actually, me walking, and then you came by and stopped me. Actually, you helped me.
Yeah, you
because
see, 7 years is a lot.